guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Kwan, sa pinaka-location, tama?
Apo, sa Hermosa.
Hermosa.
Phase 1.
So, titignan natin gaano kaganda at gaano kalapit yung Global South kasi sir, we are selling na ito yung pinakaunang-unang residential condominium na malapit sa Villarland Global South. Ano ba yung Villarland Global South, sir? At least habang tayo pupunta doon.
Well, ang Villarland Global South is going to be composed of business district.
Okay.
Meron tayong commercial establishments and
Okay.
also entertainment city. So
Oo.
actually ngayon may existing developments na tayo.
Oo.
So this is not just a plan.
Oo.
It's an ongoing development already. So later on makikita nyo yung mga land area, yung
Oo.
mga raw land natin
Oo.
for all of those
Future
establishments.
developments.
Yes,
Oo.
for future developments. And
Oo.
this one is the River Drive. So this is our quickest access going
Wow.
to the Vista Global South.
So, nagkaroon na tayo ng ganito para at least mas
Opo,
mabilis.
this is a shortcut po kasi going to Global South. So mabilis lang siya.
Tapos, dama mo lang dito na hindi ka pa nasa masyadong crowded na lugar. Parang residential pa rin ang feel nitong lugar natin, ano? Tapos paglabas mo.
Both sides po is residential.
Oo.
Actually, yung place po natin, location talaga natin is more on for residential siya. So,
Oo.
one good thing about that is kung if you want higher floors,
Oo.
wala kayong obstruction when it comes to your view.
Mm-mm.
Since house and lots lang naman ang
Oo.
nakapaligid. And actually, yung opposing na
Oo.
village natin is Royal Estate, which is one of the richest villages here in
Wow, ito?
Las Piñas. Yes po.
What?
And both sides actually. Yeah. Both sides is...
So, good thing meron tayong shortcut at meron tayong driveway dito.
Yes po, may shortcut lang.
Mm.
So you can jog
Oo.
from Hermosa going to Global South,
Oo.
which is ang daming pong gumagawa kasi nagiging ano siya, parang park
Okay.
yung Global South since
Oo.
wala pang masyadong establishment. So
Oo.
it's a free land pa.
Oo. So, na-enjoy siya ng mga residente dito.
Opo. So actually, but later on it's going to be an exclusive area. So definitely.
Really?
So what we
So,
are going
2 minutes and counting from our ako na, kunyari doon ka nakatira at pupunta ka sa Villarland Global South. So, 2 minutes. Yan.
So actually, ayan,
Oo.
when you see the raw land,
Ito
nandiyan
na.
na po tayo.
Oh my goodness, ito
Ayan,
na bro.
On the right side.
What?
Actually, all of the
Okay.
greeneries na makikita nyo around this tour
Oo.
is part of the Vista Global South.
Oh my
So,
God,
lahat po ng
appreciation
mga land-
appreciation value is really dito. So, itong mga to sir, lalagay, i-develop to.
Opo, in the develop, yeah,
Oo.
yung area na yan is specifically
Oo.
allotted for commercial establishment.
Wow.
And later, makikita nyo yung land area for the first casino natin.
Meron casino dito?
Opo, actually,
Oo.
magkakaroon kami ng launch for our casino this year already.
OMG. May
Definitely,
kakasino.
that's going to add up to the value of
Oh
your
my
properties
goodness.
at Hermosa.
Oh my goodness.
Ayan. So actually dito yon.
Saan?
Dyan po
Dito?
sa tapat mismo.
Ganyan.
Sa likod ng...
What? Diyan, what?
Ayan. That's going to be
Oh my
our
goodness.
first casino. That's going to be
Dito?
the land area. Yes.
Ang
po.
lapit lang, 3
Lapit
minutes.
lang. So actually tatanggalin to the tent
Oh,
and then lalagyan siya ng casino.
OMG. Isa yan sa ang gagawin. OMG. My
So,
goodness
i-replant
gracious.
siya and we are adding up more establishments here.
Ang laki, ito lahat ay what? My God.
Vista Global South.
OMG.
Actually sir, yan, yung hanap nyo.
Oo.
Up to SM City Sukat is going to be the land area for the entertainment city naman. So basically, more hotels
Oh.
and also entertainment establishments.
Wow, yung nasa video na panood natin.
Opo, yun.
Oh my goodness!
So,
What?
that's the whole land
Congratulations sa mga mag-i-invest dito sa Hermosa. Kaya pala napakaraming bumibili doon. Sa Hermosa kasi napakalapit.
area. Yes po, definitely.
Oh my goodness, ang ganda. Congratulations sa inyo, sir. Ang ganda ng project. Winner ang mga investors dito.
Definitely, sir.
Oo. Grabe, 4 minutes and 27. Bro, nakaikot na tayo 4 minutes 28 pa lang.
And
Goodness.
so right tayo. Iikutin naman natin yung end line ng
Oo.
LRT1
Oo.
station. So actually, we are constructing na with the LRT1 station.
Dito!
Opo, it's going to go through Vista Global South. That's going to be very beneficial for our clients.
Oh, eto na!
Ayan, may public
Yeah.
transportation din tayo.
What? LRT yan?
Opo, that's the extension from Baclaran going
Oo.
to Quezon City.
Talaga?
Opo. Ayan, it's
Oh,
going to go through here.
MG. Talaga po ba?
Diba? Very convenient. Pag diniretso nyo po yan.
Saan ang station niya mababalak pa dito malapit dito?
Actually, dun po sa end ng C5 extension.
Talaga?
So, malapit lang siya dun sa
Oh
simbahan.
my goodness! My goodness, sir! Ang ganda! Congratulations!
And malapit na po tayo sa airport.
Oo.
Kapag diniretso nyo po yung way
Oo.
kanina,
Oo.
going back sa, ano na po yun, sa papunta ng Naiya.
Tapos ito, ang ganda pa kasi ng land development at saka yung road network. So, ang luwang, no?
It's
Grabe.
very
At saka sa master planned community.
Opo.
Hindi yung kung ano-anong nangyari. Hindi mo na maasikaso kung OMG, congratulations, guys.
Ayan, on the right
Guys.
side pa, meron pa tayong business district. So,
Wow!
and commission is
Wow!
And then on the left side, we
Oo.
have our
Existing na to, no?
Vista Mall Lumasa.
My goodness, ang daming restaurants.
Ayan,
And then may nakita kong simbahan dito. May simbahan, di ba dito?
Opo, later, makikita niyo
Oh
yan
my
sa-
goodness, congratulations. Guys, you have to hear it.
Ayan, so
Ang ganda.
actually, done na yung first place natin, which
Oo.
includes yung Vista Mall,
Oo.
Ayang Bella Hotel, our
Ayun ang
4-star
hotel.
hotel,
Wow.
Global South, and also we have San Isidro Moreno Church up front.
OMG. Tapos ang ganda ng tema niya, no? Very
Opo,
European,
we
no?
have on the left side yung Villar Global Complex. So meron na tayong mga restaurants there.
Shouting,
May
meron
Chowking,
tayo. Coffee Project, of
Coffee
course.
Project,
Jollibee.
Gilligan's, meron
Gilligan's.
Jollibee.
Wow. Ito yung simbahan nandoon.
Opo, nandyan po
Ang
sa
ganda.
simbahan.
Congratulations po. Nako, ang ganda. Grabe. Wala na akong masabi kundi ang ganda. Winner ang mga mag-invest dito. Guys, i-push natin to, guys. I-push nyo to.
Ayan. So actually meron tayong LRT1 station. Magko-connect po sila in between the Global South. So yung end of the line po kasi, another end of the line ng LRT1, yung connection, it's going to meet in between. So ngayon po may kinoconstruct ngayon doon, banda dyan sa harapan. So makikita niyo po.
Oh, thank you, bro. What an napakagandang investment. Nakakabaliw. Grabe, bro. Ang ganda.